Welcome to day 6 of our 7-day English pronunciation challenge. Today, we're working on the S and Z sounds. If you've ever confused sip with zip or bus with buzz, don't worry, we'll fix it today. Let's make this really simple and clear. We're going to start with the S sound. Now for the S sound, this sound is quiet and sharp. You push air out through your teeth like a soft snake sound. S. You want to hiss a little bit. S. Your voice stays off. Just air and a little hissing. Try it with me. S. 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 Some examples of words with the S sound are sit, sun, soap, pass, rice, and face. Say a few with me. Sit, soap, face. Now for the Z sound, this sound feels just like the S sound, but now your voice is turned on. It sounds like a soft buzzing. Zzz. Put your fingers on your throat. You'll feel it vibrate. Try it with me. Zzz. 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 Some examples of words with the Z sound are zip, zoo, buzz, rise, eyes, and phase. Say a few with me. Zip, buzz, eyes. Let's say both sounds side by side to be able to feel the difference. S, zzz, s, zzz. Now let's try 2 pairs of words. Sip, zip, face, phase. One is quiet, the S sound, and the other buzzes, the Z sound. Feel it and don't rush the sound. Now let's practice with some minimal pairs. Listen closely and repeat after me. Sip, zip, sip, zip, bus, buzz, bus, buzz, face, phase, face, phase, ice, eyes, ice, eyes, loose, lose. This is a hard one. Loose, lose. Remember, the S is soft and silent. The Z has that little buzz. Keep practicing. Now, we're going to try some sentences. Repeat after me. I saw a zip on the bag. The bus was full of buzz. He tried to close the closed door. She wore loose shoes and didn't want to lose them. The bass was quiet, but the bays were loud. A quick tip for you. Touch your throat. If it vibrates, you're making the Z sound. If it doesn't, it's the S sound. Now for today's challenge, I want you to pick 5 of the minimal pairs that we went over and say them 3 times out loud in front of a mirror. Put your hands on your throat to make sure you're making that buzz sound for the Z sound. Great work today. The difference between the S and the Z sounds is small but important, especially when you want to speak clearly. Tomorrow is our final day, day 7, and we will be working on word stress and intonation. See you there.